Whoa, Bitcoin keeps pumping right here, guys. This is kind of insane. Almost trading at 30,000 US dollars. I just wanted to make a quick update to check which levels we can watch above us, because this is just insanely bullish, guys. Pattern wise, this is a falling wedge formation, and the technical target of this pattern is the top of the wedge, which would bring it right here at roughly 30,400. And I think, looking at the price of Bitcoin right now, I think it's possible that we can reach this target even today, that we are going to touch it. The other chart that I've showed you guys earlier actually would indicate that Bitcoin could still push higher, but let's see about that. That is this chart. This is the stablecoin dominance, and the stablecoin dominance, guys, broke down, and we already see that from the highs right here till we already broke down. We right now had a decrease of 12.6%. But in Bitcoin, that was a rally. It was roughly from here. That is a rally of 17%. So if we were to look at this one and say, like, okay, this one can still go to the support right here, that's another drop of 7%. Let's say if that would be slightly higher on Bitcoin, that could be an increase of 10%. That could bring the price of Bitcoin, maybe even higher, but could bring the price of Bitcoin to 33,000 US dollars. It is important though, guys, that we at this specific moment are going to look what is going to happen with the stable coins, because that will be an important moment as we have a rising channel structure that has been created since 2019, which will be quite strong, but which also means, guys, that if we were to break this one to the downside, that's a massive catalyst for the next Bitcoin bull market and rally. Also, we are looking at Ethereum on this chart, and I've been stating, guys, that I'm thinking that Ethereum goes through these cycles where we basically have a period of increase, and then we have a 1 year decline, a period of increase, also 4 year cycles basically. So we got 3 years of increase, 1 year decrease, roughly. We got 3 years of increase, and right now we could be seeing, I know there's not a lot of statistical history, but we gotta work with the charts that we have, right? So this is since the birth of Ethereum, since 2015, and it's kind of a 10-year chart, and I think somewhere it does make sense. I would love to be bullish on Ethereum, but somewhat for me it does make sense, because we did have a 3-year uptrend, rising channel, then we got a 1 year downtrend after we broke the rising channel. We did exactly the same. 3 years uptrend, rising channel. Right now we broke that rising channel to the downside, and a lot of functionalities that we actually have seen on Ethereum, which made Ethereum so special, ERC20 tokens, smart contracts, all of this stuff right now is coming to Bitcoin. So I'm personally way more bullish on Bitcoin than any other coin out there, and I think this bull market, the focus will definitely be on Bitcoin. That's why I'm also so bullish on Bitcoin NFTs, because a lot of functionalities, the reason why Ethereum was being made is becoming obsolete, right? And of course, Ethereum has massive liquidity. It's the second biggest token out there after Bitcoin, right? But still, on a cyclical way and from a narrative standpoint, I could see Ethereum could see a 1 year decline against Bitcoin. That's something that I'm thinking is definitely possible. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about Ethereum against Bitcoin. Which one will outperform the other one this year? Okay guys, that was it for this quick second upload today. If you enjoyed it, make sure to show your appreciation. Smash up that like button. That is very much appreciated, guys. And if you are new, make sure to subscribe down below. And I wish you all a beautiful day. Hope it is as sunny as it is in Holland. And I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.